my bread machine stopped working. It mixed fine, but when it came time to heat and bake, it didn't bake. So it was sitting there all night. This happened twice now. So what I'm going to do is save this dough and just see if I can put it in my skillet and cook it on top of the stove. I've made cornbread in my omelet pan before on top of the stove. So we're going to put this bread in there and see what happens. It didn't work the time before last, and the last time it did work. So I don't know what's going on. Technology. Alrighty. You know, let's put a tiny bit of oil, or as some people say, oil, or oil. Let's put some oil in there. Oil. Oh yeah, get the fingers oily. Okay. Put the lime in the coconut. Don't forget. This would be like if someone's in prison and you're sending them a file. You could just remove the paddle and put a file in there. We bake you some bread, Johnny. Give some to the warden. Okay. That's between low and medium. And we're going to turn it over after 15 minutes and then turn it again and bake it on the stove in the omelet pan for at least half an hour. We'll know at the end.